Hello and welcome to the Soap Kitchen. Today we are going to be making our very own bath bombs. Let's go through our ingredients. We have 300 grams of bicarbonate of soda, 150 grams of citric acid, 20 grams of SLSA powder, 4 grams of ultramarine pink powder, and 10 grams of our allergen-free strawberry fragrance oil. We are going to be making a standard bath bomb using the 70mm bath bomb mould, and we will also be using a water spray to use when building the bath bombs. Let's get started. In one bowl, add your bicarb and citric and mix together, getting rid of any lumps. Then, add in your SLSA and mix well. SLSA adds amazing foaming properties to your bath bombs, which is perfect when you want to add some extra life and character to your bath time. Then fold in your fragrance oil. You may see some lumps forming, but these will disperse as you continue to mix. For this recipe, we are going to be creating a pink and white patterned bath bomb, so you will need to separate out about a third of your mixture into a smaller bowl and leave to one side. Then, with your larger bowl, add in your colour and mix thoroughly. Now, as you can see, the mixture falls apart in our hands. This is where the water spray comes in, as you need a snowball-like consistency. From a distance, spray your mixture and mix again until you start to feel the consistency change. Keep adding small sprays of water until your mixture starts to hold together on its own. Repeat with your white mixture. Now you can start building your bath bombs. Sprinkle in amounts of your colours into your mould until you are happy with your desired pattern. Remember, the pink is your dominant colour, so you will need to fill the middle with the pink. Make sure you make one half of your mould slightly higher than the other, so when you combine them, they slot together easier. Next, using a flat edge tool, gently tap on the mould, which will help loosen the bath bomb as you can see, and then repeat on the other side. Make sure you leave your bath bomb to dry for at least 24 hours so they are nice and solid, and then they are ready to use.